Hello everyone, myself Dr. Nitin Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Government College Kota. My first topic of this lecture is introduction of nomenclature in organic compounds. Nomenclature means choosing name of different science related objects. Chemical nomenclature is defined as a collection of rules or instructions used for the chemical compound to produce or create names. Chemical compounds usually have a specific name and a systematic name. What is the importance of this nomenclature? Nomenclature means to mark some things. It's important to be able to call it by a definite name. The scientific name is nomenclature for living organism. It is very important to work with different name for different species, mainly when working in a laboratory. Nomenclature means of identify the compounds. In case the aliphatic compounds, they have two type of aliphatic compounds. First, trivial name or common name, and second, IUPAC name, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Trivial name or common name, a commonly used non-systematic name of a chemical compound. Trivial names for many compounds have been in use since long before their exact chemical structure were determined. Organic compounds after source which taken after they were isolate. Example: trivial name is the oldest system for naming organic compounds. Trivial system of organic compounds are not based on any rules. These names are given to the organic compound on the basis of their source of their specific properties. Methane. Methane was a name of marsh gas because it was produced in marshy area by the decay of plants and trees. It was also named as a fire damp as it formed explosive mixture with air. Formic acid was named as it was obtained by the fractional distillation of red ants. The Greek word for red ants in formicus. Methyl alcohol is obtained by the descriptive distillation of woods, hence it was named a wood spirit. Acetic acid is obtained from vinegar or sirca, hence it was named as a acetic acid. This slide show some trivial name or common name for the compound. A IUPAC name of nomenclature. IUPAC name, a systematic name of the organic compounds, is generally derived by identify the parent hydrocarbon and the functional group attached to it. In order to give compound a name, certain rule must be followed. When naming organic compounds in the IUPAC, this is a give consistency to the name. It also enable every compound to have a unique name, which is not possible with the common name used for the example in university. We will first look at some of the steps that needed to be followed when named a compound and then try to apply this rule to some specific examples. Acyclic or closed chain or ring compounds, aliphatic cyclic compounds contain carbon atoms joined in the form of a ring. Is a homocyclic compound. Sometimes atoms other than carbon are also present in the ring It is known as a heterocyclic compounds. Some example of heterocyclic as a like pyrrole, thiophene, etc. Aromatic compounds are the special type of compounds. This included benzene and others related rings compounds, benzenoid or anthracene like. In other, in order to identify compound, a systematic method of naming has been developed and is known as the IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry System of Nomenclature. A rational nomenclature system should do at least two things. First, it should indicate how the carbon atom of a given compound are bonded together in a characteristic lattice of chain and ring. Second, it should identify and locate any functional group present in the compound. Since hydrogen is such a common component of organic compounds, its amount and location can be assumed from the tetravalency of the carbon and need not to be specified in most cases. The IUPAC nomenclature system is a set of logical rules deserved and used of organic chemists in calculate problem caused by arbitrary nomenclature. In general, the IUPAC name will have three essential features. First, a root of or base indicate a major chain or ring of carbon atom found in the molecular structure. Second, a suffix or other elements design functional group then that may be present in the compound. And third, name of the substrate group other than hydrogen they complete the molecular structure. First, we know about the alkane and the basic approach of substitute name. Alkanes are acyclic hydrocarbon of German formula CnH2n plus 2. The carbon atom are arranged in chain that are either branch or unbranched chain, are called continuous or unbranched. When they are branch, they contain more than two terminal CH3 groups. In the case, at least one carbon atom must be joined at single bond to each three others carbon atoms. Unbranched alkanes. Unbranched alkane are also called normal alkanes. The name of the first four member of the homologous series of unbranched or normal alkane are retained name methane, ethane, propane and butane. However, higher member of the series are named systematically by combine the ending "ane". Characteristic of this first four member and employing complete situation with the multi Pilicavate prefix to the series of penta, hexa, etc. Example: penta plus ane equal to pentane. The name of unbranched alkane are of the utmost importance because these alkane are the parent hydrides used to name all aliphatic molecule. Thanks.